Okay. Ladies, are we ready to play a game of reading war? Okay, Addie, you know what? Oh, it's just that we don't see Sophia yet because she's putting her brain away. Okay, so you are each going to have a pile of words. And what will happen is at the same time, you're going to flip the top one and read it. You have to check each other. If you get your own word right, you get to keep it. But if you catch that the other person makes a mistake, you get to steal their card. And whoever has more words at the end is the winner. Okay? All right, so ready, flip. And you have to check each other's. Is she right? Was she right? Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
Okay, and was she right? Did you hear her? Good. So put them in a pile over here that they were right. Okay, go ahead and flip again.
So,
Okay, let me watch you play.
so,
Are you both
so,
right? Don't forget, you got to check each other.
yeah.
Okay. And show her. Because if you can't see it, Sophia, then you don't know if she's right. Is
Yeah.
she right?
Yes.
And did you see hers? Are you right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rest. Ah.
Ooh, you know what? This is a tricky one. You actually don't even learn this until second grade. How did this get in there?
It's seat.
Yeah, when E and A are together, sometimes they say E. Like, I want to sit in my seat.
Oh, let's put that one
I know, that shouldn't have been in there. But good for you, Sophia, for checking that. All right, let's try another. Let's try another one.
Set. Hell.
Did you check each other's? Were you right? Nice job. You girls can keep playing on your own. This is a partner game.